Flaneur is a French word for wanderer. Iting burikong personality, a wanderer, someone who always travels, bro.
Yun naman yung ginagawa natin. We discover great places for you to check out.
I agree.
Black truffled pasta.
Truffles.
Apin din itang food na kabud na ka na.
Kabud na lang.
Kaya mo na lang papanggitan.
So, this is it. Tinabi sa atin yung schedule for today, Mexico. I thought it's gonna be, parang long drive.
Expect natin medyo malayo.
Medyo malayo.
2 minutes away lang siya sa Mexico exit
Mexico
or
exit.
Lakeshore.
Ako personally, I'm impressed with the place. First in this area.
At the same time, yung place itself, napakaganda. Chill yung vibe niya. Pwede kayo mag-chill dun sa baba. You could play billiards or kung gusto nyo naman medyo sosyalin yung dating, pwede kayo mag-stay dito sa dine-in.
So siguro, I wanna try first. This one,
Yung Rogers Burger.
medyo for the look of it, ako na-intimidate ako.
Kasi napakalaki.
Ang laki niya, guys.
Meron siyang egg, onion, mushroom, yung kanilang rib eye, cheese. Sarap niyang tingnan.
Bun. Brioche bun.
Brioche bun. Siyempre, tikman na natin. It's a jawbreaker hamburger. Kasi stretch yung panga mo sa laki.
Spanish latte.
Next ko lang titigman yung kanilang beef tapa.
Look at this. Very creamy. Next is this one. Verde salad. Excited ako dito yung kanilang mga salmon. So that's my plate. My plate.
Yeah. Crispy chicken.
Cheers. This is Kapampangan style. Adobong malangi chicken. Cheers. Yaman ha.
With the rice.
Aliwaya lasa. Grabe ya. Yaman yun eh.
Sweet and salty.
Trying this unique spaghetti for the first time. Alam na alam mong Pinoy style siya kasi meron siyang hotdog. Pineapple foam. Hello. Few minutes later. And this is our table. Grabe, ang dami pa rin dahil you can't beat the food pag sobrang dami, bro.
Actually, yung palang hamburger nila, talagang mabubusog ka na. Pero syempre, inubos ko yung kanilang tapa.
Ako naman naubos ko yung kanilang chicken confit. Yun yung naubos ko, bro.
Yes.
Parang na ako, it's a fusion of French and Kapampangan.
Yes.
Actually, natingman natin lahat. Isa sa mga nag-highlight din sa akin dito. And congratulations sa mga nanalo dun sa live winner natin. Live video winner natin. Is yung kanilang garlic cream cheese.
Yes. Dish naman na tumatak din sa akin is yung kanilang crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken. If you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including po yung fan page nila or the contact numbers you need to call just in case you have any inquiries.
Si Cafe Flâneur is located dito sa may RGB Plaza along Mexico Calulot Road.
Yes.
For weekdays, they're open from 3 p.m. until 9 p.m. For weekends naman, it's 11 a.m. until 9 p.m.
There you have it, guys. Another place for you to check out, another place for you to discover. So if you like this video, please Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you like the food you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.